from Wild Tales of, where we share about family, travel, and outdoor adventure. And I am back with part 2 of our recent weekend trip to Utah. So if you missed our first video of our weekend in Utah, it's all about our day in Park City. And now this second video is all about our day exploring Salt Lake City.
This one?
Let's see. Ooh. So instead of giving it straight to the person, you can put it here and it goes toward their services. Turn spare change into real change. Yep. These are elk footprints, you guys.
I want to find the duck.
There, wait, that's right. It's seagulls. It's seagulls. There we go. Aha!
Wait.
So Georgia and Slade are walking up to the Utah State Capitol, and Bergen and I are walking away. Why are we walking away, Bergen?
I lost my gloves.
Bergen lost his gloves, but we're gonna go find them. And I think we were taking a look at the view of the temple, and he was getting his camera out, and we think that he took his gloves off and set them there.
Up ahead, she goes. He found a...
Are these the gloves? Up ahead?
No.
Oh.
These are not.
Just a leaf.
Lost my change.
Oh. Well, he lost his change purse, apparently. Well, we found that. The gloves are not here. So we're gonna try going back to City Creek Mall, and we're gonna see if the gloves are there, because there's a creek running through there, and Bergen hopefully took his gloves off there to get money out. This is where you guys first got your money out. What should we do?
Front desk.
Okay, so they were not in the City Creek Mall. So now we're going back to where we got coffee and tea. And we will see. That was the last spot we were at. And Bergen was messing around with them, with his mints. So let's see if they're in the coffee shop.
Please stay here.
Okay, okay. Good luck.
They're not right now.
We'll go ask them. Well, it's the weirdest thing. They're not at the coffee shop.
We lost the gloves.
We think so, because we retraced every single one of our steps. Yeah, I think it was at the creek. What's the surprise? Okay.
You went in.
We went into that one.
A receipt for... Ooh, luxury bath salts. Lavender Garden? Wow.
They're from the herbal bath salts from the Great Salt Lake with vitamin E.
That's so cool. Bad news is we didn't find the gloves, but at least we're already logged over 10,000 steps and it's not even lunchtime. You give me back my cap. Oh, finally.
The Lion House. The Lion House takes its name from the carved lion on top of the front portico. The house was constructed with adobe blocks, a common building material during Utah's settlement period, 1990. The basement contained a dining room.
What do you think of the Lion House, Bergen? Good?
Awesome ice skating. Whoa! I'm not doing this one because it has mud. I'm not doing it.
Try to avoid it.
Different. Oh God. I can't avoid it now. Dad, old man. I like doing it.
That old man.
That's what you said.
That old man.
That old man. So did you get a picture of him?
No,
Okay, how do you know that it was him?
because I could see him.
You could see his blue hat?
Yep.
What blue hat?
Bergen hiked all the way up there. We didn't want to do it because it was too slippery. But he insisted. Let's go, Bergen! Woohoo! The thru hiker.
Wow, buddy. Tell me about it.
Well, when I was going down, I slid and hit my butt 3 times.
Oh,
Oops.
And Georgia would not like it because it gets really slippery.
It does. It got worse.
Then you have to walk in the snow. It's easier.
How were your gloves?
Good.
Did that guy have to help you?
No.
He didn't have to help you at all? Did you talk to him?
No.
Oh.
you didn't talk to him?
Well, good job doing that by yourself. We were worried about you.
Okay, stop.
Dad had a timer and he was going to go save you, but then it
You
didn't.
beat the timer.
You beat the timer. Yeah. How were you going to save me?
I thought that was
We were going to run up there. Dad says that his shoes were the best. And that's where the video will end, but we did a few other things while we were there. We explored Temple Square and then had dinner at Squatters Pub. So I hope you enjoyed following along on our adventure in Salt Lake City. As you can see, things didn't go as planned, but that's what makes great family memories, right? And if you did enjoy our video, make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. We'll see you next time. Bye!
This is us, the dark and light will fire away. We'll be alright.
Yeah, you can watch it when I'm all done.